Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Vitale. I'm excited because recently there's been a scientific breakthrough in personal development. This actually changes the game. This levels the playing field. This enables you and me to actually achieve and attract goals we thought were impossible. In fact, goals we probably never even thought we would try because we didn't entertain the possibility of them in our own mind. And why didn't we entertain those ideas? Why didn't we go for the big things? Why didn't we attract and achieve them? It's because of our neurology, our mindset, our paradigm, our belief system, if you will. But now there is a way to switch that. It's called NEUROSWITCH. And this is dramatically important because this gives you the ability to switch your chemistry, your neurology, your paradigm, your mindset, the data in your software. You can switch it. You can do a neuro switch and leave the struggle, leave the suffering, leave the frustration, leave the procrastination, and move into abundance and prosperity. You can actually make life easier. You can begin to manifest the reality you prefer. In fact, with NEUROSWITCH, what you do is mold and create a new reality. Now, this is important because you're already creating reality, but you're doing it unconsciously, and you're doing it with a default system that is in your neurobiology, in your mind. And what you've needed to be able to do is do a neuro switch. Now, when many people try to do this, they look at astrology, they look at the moon, they look at the stars, they look at all kind of different ways to define the future and divine the future and go ahead and change their future. But it usually doesn't work. It usually doesn't work because they're still using the neurobiology they already have. You have to do a neuro switch. You see, you have unconscious beliefs, you have unconscious thoughts, you have unconscious programs. I've talked about this, I've written about this, I've gotten on stages around the world to explain this, and I call it counter intentions. You may have a conscious intention to attract more money, attract the love of your life, attract big business, whatever it is that you want, that's fine. But if in your subconscious mind, unconscious mind, you still have thoughts of lack, limitation, not deserving things, fears about success, fears about failure, all of that will prevent you from actually attracting and achieving your conscious intentions. You have to clear them. How do you clear them? This is the breakthrough. This is the scientifically proven new way to switch your mindset. It's called NEUROSWITCH. And what I'm imploring you to do is to read everything on this page because this is a breakthrough. It's a breakthrough, as I say, in personal development, but this is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. It's the breakthrough you've been wanting and I've been wanting. The time is now. I'm so excited. I'm falling over my own words because I'm trying to get you to pause long enough to review what's here. I guarantee this works. I'm always saying expect miracles. Well, now you can. Do the neuro switch and then expect miracles.